Hi, I'm Mariana from Crafting Happiness, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet the foundation single crochet. Start with a slip knot and then chain 2. Next, we will pull a loop from the second chain from the hook. So yarn over and pull up a loop, then again yarn over, pull up through one loop. This will be our base chain. Then yarn over again and pull through both loops. And now we have crocheted the single crochet into the base chain. Next, to crochet another base chain, turn your work around and insert your hook through those 2 loops at the bottom, which is the base chain. Now yarn over, pull up a loop, and we'll crochet another base chain by yarning over and pulling through 1 loop only. So that is our base chain. Now we will make the single crochet. Yarn over and pull through both. And this is how it looks like. Let me show you again. Insert your hook through the base chain, those 2 loops at the bottom. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Create another base chain by yarning over and pulling through the first loop. And now we will make our single crochet. And this is how you crochet the foundation single crochet.